10 Best Current in Service Royal Thai Air Force Fighter Jets, Helicopters, and Trainer Jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, Role, Multi-Role Aircraft, in Service, 38. Saab, JAS, 39 Gripen, Role, Multi-Role Aircraft, in Service, 7. Northrop F-5, Role, Light Fighter, in Service, 23. Saab, 340, Role, Airborne Early Warning and Control, in Service, 2. Eurocopter, EC-725, Role, Search and Rescue, in Service, 8, on order, 4. Bell, UH-1 Iroquois, Role, Search and Rescue, in Service, 8. Bell 412, Role, Utility, in Service, 8. F-16 Fighting Falcon, Role, Conversion Trainer, in Service, 15. Pilatus, PC-9, Role, Basic Trainer Jet, in Service, 22. Diamond DA-42, Role, Trainer Jet, in Service, 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.